A motorcyclist, speeding and weaving through traffic, caught the attention of a state trooper, but when the lights and sirens came on, he didn't stop. He shook his head, hit the throttle, and took off, leading police on a dangerous pursuit toward the interstate.
I'm clear, getting on the interstate. Get right, get right.
1050, just about. 1050, 1050, 1050. Hands! Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on your face! You like to, yeah. You ain't listen to me and got a gun on you? That's a good way to die, brother.
I was listening, sir.
You sat there laying at me, wouldn't get on your face when I told you to.
Hi, man. My name is Trooper Smith. Okay? I work for the State Patrol, okay?
Yes, sir.
First reason for the stop.
Not speeding, I already know.
Hey, you were speeding. You was in and out of traffic. And I know you see me. You came up. When I came up behind you, you looked at my lights, and you just shook your head at me.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I already knew.
That's Miranda warning. You got the right of main south.
Once in custody, officers uncovered more than just reckless driving. The suspect was carrying a stolen firearm, and while the motorcycle was initially flagged as stolen, it turned out to be a reporting error. Regardless, his reckless attempt to outrun the law earned him a long list of charges. A reckless driver swerving across the road caught an officer's attention, but when the lights came on, he made a dangerous choice, hitting the gas instead of stopping. What followed was a chaotic, high-speed pursuit filled with crashes, near misses, and a suspect who refused to go down easy.
Truck off.
Man, I was talking to a buddy of mine about some hunting land, and he got mad at me
Stand by.
because I didn't
Step
want
out
to
for
put
me.
it on the pavement.
Step out for me.
Huh?
Step out.
I ain't stepping out.
Step out.
Why?
Step out.
I ain't did nothing. Man, I was just talking to a buddy of mine about some hunting land, that's all. And he wanted to fucking... I ain't doing nothing. Let me see your supervisor.
Ballin, send a deputy up here for me.
I want to see
Step out for me.
I want to see your supervisor.
Step up here for me.
I want to see your
Step
supervisor,
out.
sir. Please.
Step
I
out.
want to see your supervisor. Because I wasn't doing nothing but arguing with him about
Sir,
the
the
price.
reason I stopped you, I saw you run off the road right there, and then you ran off the road again.
I was arguing with him, man, about the price of some hunting land. Serious.
So what you reaching for?
I don't have nothing. I'm looking for lighters or like my cigarettes. No, I was arguing with you about the price of that hunting land. You know it.
Step out for me.
I want to see your supervisor.
Reyes, come up here for me.
You know I got the camera on. Just let me see your supervisor.
None of that, man. Hey, look, I gotta go to work today. I'm trying to. Hey, look.
Sir, step out for me.
I want to see your supervisor.
No, don't do it. 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 Still headed towards 212. This has got to end. can't let him back on the roadway. He needs to be stopped. On the ground! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! I'm going to less lethal. I'm going to less lethal.
Let me see your hands!
You're going to have to get out. You're going to have to get out. No, no, step out of the car now. You're going to get, you're going to get tased. Get out of the car now.
After crashing, flipping his truck, and ramming a patrol car, the suspect still refused to surrender, casually lighting a cigarette until officers dragged him out. With drugs in his pocket and a stack of charges, his reckless escape ended in cuffs.
To traffic, I may have a vehicle that was involved in 901. I'm at Doyle.
An ambulance crew spotted trouble on the road, a reckless driver swerving wildly in oncoming lanes. When police arrived, the situation escalated fast, turning into a chase through city streets, backyards, and even a narrow alleyway.
CMS received. Beggar 22, reason for the stop was he was driving on the wrong side of the roadway on Doyle Venable.
Down 33rd towards First and Exit. No traffic. Speed. 66.
It looks like it's going to be occupied by a single black bald male with glasses on. He is currently on the wrong side of the road, but there is no traffic, no risk to the public. Nope.
Beggar 36 is coming out to Pershing. No traffic. Speed or 45.
Beggar 22, if you can get the state en route to get this stopped, I'd appreciate it.
Still south on Pershing Bank, 10,000 points for no traffic. Speed 50.
Unit C40 in joint call.
Driver door is open. Still doing 59 now. Coming up to 19.
Unit 835 in joint call.
Still no traffic.
Unit C26 in joint call.
Turning east on 18th towards Main. No traffic off the side of the road. Pulling into a yard. Alright, he's going through the backyard. I'm going to go around.
Get on the ground! Do it now! We're building the alleyway. Get on the ground! Get up!
Kelly's desperate escape came to an electrifying end. Literally. A well-placed taser brought him down, ending his reckless run. Now he's facing the consequences of his dangerous decisions, with officers ensuring he won't be making another getaway anytime soon.
He's blinking.
He's got a pulse.
I can see him breathing.
He's got a good
Oh, there he
pulse.
goes. Hey, Miss Kelly. You all right, Miss Kelly?
What should have been a routine traffic stop turned into a chaotic pursuit through Olympia and Tumwater. Even after multiple PIT maneuvers, this driver refused to call it quits until deputies pinned him against a tree. After an hour-long standoff, foam bullets, pepper balls, and even a K-9 insertion, the suspect finally surrendered, but not before assaulting the police dog. Now he's facing DUI, multiple counts of eluding, harming a K-9, and assaulting law enforcement. Safe to say, his Valentine's Day didn't end the way he planned. A routine traffic stop took a dangerous turn when the driver of a gray Mercedes refused to comply. Ignoring commands, he slammed on the gas, blasting down the highway at 130 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, and using the shoulder to escape.
He took off.
Trying to get to the one that's over at left flank. Come out. I don't care about the decision. Take it out. Yeah, about 30.
After a second pursuit, troopers shut him down with a tactical vehicle intervention. With a revoked license and a felony fleeing charge, his high-speed escape only guaranteed one thing: a fast track to jail.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.